massive dust generated by the widespread celebration of the historic Golden Jubilee birthday anniversary of UK-based Peter Apologun, fondly called the British Man, from the beautiful ancient community of Igara at the foot of Kukuruku Hills in Akoko Edo local government area, Edo State, South Nigeria, held on Thursday, 16 September 2021, have remained unabated, still being discussed in different quarters, especially among friends and fans of the celebrant. It has been adjudged not only by Birthday Real TV, but by all and sundry as one of the most celebrated birthday anniversaries of the year 2021. In this episode of our special birthday report series, we shall do a retrospect of how the historic birthday event in question fared, as well as take a close look at the celebrant and his journey to stardom. Please sit back and enjoy it.
Okay, people, this is about the 316 introducing Felix Adetayo, the Ejekajo master, now with the one of Igara land in his new track.
Maso gaya dai, mako abotara, hey, mako abotara, inombono me, mako abotara. Maso gaya dai, mako abotara, inombono me, mako abotara. Hey, mako abotara, inombono me, mako abotara. Maso gaya dai, mako abotara, inombono me, mako abotara. Hey, olorobere oni Jesu me yo. Olorobere oni Jesu me yo. Olorobere oni Jesu me yo. Eshebe bane bono se memetere o. Alebe bane bono se memetere o. Era yo wa bono se memetere o. Era ono na ne bezo da mi o. Era ono na ne bezi ane tunobo. Epe minyare oni Jesu me yo. Yere pulua yere kurabo yere kurabo pulua.
The historic Golden Jubilee birthday anniversary of UK-based Peter Apologun, fondly called British Man, from Igara in Akoko Edo local government area, Edo State, South Nigeria, which has been adjudged one of the most celebrated birthday anniversaries of the year 2021, took place on Thursday, 16 September 2021. In what looked like tsunami, the historic birthday event attracted several thousands of heart-touching birthday wishes for British Man, a man with a golden heart who hates to see others, irrespective of who they are, suffer. With the unstoppable influx of felicitations from relatives, friends, fans, close associates, and other well-wishers from around the world, there is no gainsaying that the birthday celebrant ruled the massive social media and non-social media spaces. Aside 3 beautiful and earthquaking birthday videos produced and massively transmitted by Birthday Real TV, which undoubtedly went viral, most prominent among other well-wishers, whose birthday videos noticeably took over the airwaves, were UK-based Eunice Tobi Raje, the birthday celebrant's elder sister, UK-based Onimisi Odomo Rudania, Salami Onaivi Adamson, and Josephine Obani Tomoeta, most prominent among others, whose birthday wishes and prayers no doubt reach heaven, were Eneyo for praise Omeimi, fondly called Two-Face, a UK-based younger brother of the birthday celebrant, UK-based Salu Ojo Loboyo, Nuhu Omokide, US-based barrister Nelson Kola Adeloye, UK-based Paul Adeboale Agomago, US-based Bola Al Samuel, UK-based Chief Malis Dede Onotu Achoy, US-based Olumide Akerele, Remi Arichoke, UK-based Milikat Igila, and UK-based Kofo Okafu Asema. Others included UK-based Akpeji Balogun, fondly called Germany, Samuel Oboro, a nephew of the birthday celebrant. Football fans, particularly from Igara, led by Salami Onaivi Adamson, Sabati 316, and Naizi Sani. It is worth mentioning that friends of British Man of both Igara and non-Igara descent in UK, Igara and Benin City, shut down their locations with birthday parties in honor of him. However, the birthday party organized in the UK was marred by the unfortunate death of UK-based Chief Sabat Acha, the Ogbodo Anazuku of Igara Kingdom, who, according to Britishman, was his bosom friend and brother. In his appreciation message, which he made available on his Facebook wall, Britishman thanked all and sundry for their show of love through their prayers, birthday wishes, widespread birthday parties and phone calls, and therefore prayed that they will not lack people to stand firmly by them on their own day of celebration. As a means of appreciating his friends and non-friends alike, both at home and abroad, who identified with him on his Golden Jubilee birthday anniversary, Britishman has concluded plans to shut down Igara on Tuesday, 28 December 2021, with a community-shaking birthday appreciation party where there shall be more than enough to eat and drink for all and sundry.
Oshomoshi abo Miki abo Adami abo Miki abo Akari twami abo Abo Inisino me Thank you. I just want to say thank you, oh God. My Father, thank you. From the depths of my heart, I just want to say thank you.
Mr. Peter Apologun, fondly called Britishman, was born on 16 September 1971 to his father, late Pa Ayetobi Okwo Orabogu Apologun, a well-respected community leader of blessed memory of Anovo kindred of Ishinawaka royal family, and his mother, Madam Comfort Apologun, a down-to-earth retired trader and an accomplished housewife of Ijakota Opopoliku family, both of Bobo quarters of Igara, in Akoko Edo local government area, Edo State, South Nigeria. As a young man who knew what he wanted for himself as he journeyed the earth, Peter, upon the completion of his elementary education, according to his mother, during an interview with Bade Real TV, specifically insisted on learning a trade, electronics, repairs and maintenance. As providence will permit, he was sent to his cousin Samboy of blessed memory, a popular expert in electronics repairs and maintenance, where he dutifully received his apprenticeship training for a wholesome period of over 10 years. In an online interview with Bade Real TV recently, Britishman described the slippery valleys and the declivitous mountains, the scorching sunshine and the heavy rainfall which he went through in his quest for his search for greener pastures abroad. He particularly explained how he trekked through the desert to travel to Gabon, among other African countries, to offer himself as the sacrificial lamb to rusticate poverty from his family, He also explained his ordeal when he first traveled to the UK and was deported back to Nigeria. He, however, returned all the glory to God, who saw him through since he successfully returned to the UK in 1991. Today, according to the UK-based field engineer, such humorous statements as "Wefusa, nothing to lose," and "happiness is free," which are popular with him, were born out of the high-level predicament which he had undergone in life on one hand, and his deep-rooted passion to make others around him happy, regardless of whatever they might be going through on the other hand. He added that he owed his success so far first to God and secondly to his beautiful and amiable wife, his wonderful parents and siblings.
Merciful God, the merciful God, ọba tó ṣoore fún mi ṣoore fún ẹ tó ṣoore lójoojúmọ́, ọba kan má ti kà lẹ́yìn, adúró pọ́ìpọ́ì lẹ́yìn aṣòótọ́. Kò jẹ́ ronú ibi rárá, the merciful God. Merciful God, the merciful God, ọba tó ṣoore fún mi ṣoore fún ẹ tó ṣoore lójoojúmọ́, ọba kan má ti kà lẹ́yìn, adúró pọ́ìpọ́ì lẹ́yìn aṣòótọ́, kò jẹ́ ronú ibi rárá, the merciful God. Tẹ̀bí tará, ó dáàbò bò mí táyà tọmọ tẹ̀bí tará. Ìgbòkègbodò mi kò jẹ́ kó já sórí asán. Ìgbòkègbodò mi kò jẹ́ kó já sórí asán. Mò ń yan fáńdá lójú apẹ̀gùn. Bí ọ̀pọ̀lọ́ ṣe ń yan lójú ẹlẹ́gùsí, ẹlẹ́gùsí ò gbọ́dọ̀ yí látà. The merciful God.
Currently residing with his wonderful family in UK, British man said that the happiest moment of his life was the actualization of his struggle to put an end to poverty in his family, having succeeded in bringing 3 of his siblings and several others, many of whom are not in any way related to him, to the UK. As I bring this special report on British man at 50 to a close, I must not fail to mention that British man has tremendously impacted all classes of people, especially the downtrodden, both within and outside the Gara, his land of nativity. Thank you for watching, as I look forward to having you at the next episode of this prestigious segment on this same online TV channel. Ray Festus Simpa reporting for Bade Real TV.
Òkèbodò mi kò jẹ́ kó já sórí asán. Òun yan fáńdà lójú apẹ̀gàn. Bí ọ̀pọ̀lọ́ ṣe ń yan lójú ẹlẹ́gùsí. Ẹlẹ́gùsí ò gbọ́dọ̀ yí látà. Ìmásíkú gbọ́.